Arjun, we were talking about the product, obviously.
सॉरी दोस्तों, रुकावट के लिए
खेद है
और मेरे कपड़ों में
में
छेद
छेद है.
वाह 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 वाह
Well done, well done, well done,
I'm
well done.
unemployed now fishing. I'm never writing lyrics. क्या आप समझ पाए? तुमको हमारा भाषा समझ में को आता
सब
है?
समझ में आता है.
Oh, very good.
English? Hindi?
English?
Hindi आता है?
Yes.
So we were talking about our product.
No, so Arjun, I wanted to actually talk about. A lot of people say that one of the things that they actually try doing is putting the creams, like hair removal creams,
Yes.
right? Which for most people don't really turn out as well as they would have liked.
Not at all.
You were telling us a story.
And that story should not be repeated to
No,
anybody.
no, no, please, please, please. We won't take any names, but Arjun has a story about his friend and hair removal
Yeah,
creams.
I had a friend. I do still have that friend. He survived this incident, surprisingly. So my friend obviously was in Goa. Wanted to enjoy the tan, the sun, the beach, the attention.
Of course.
बॉडी शॉडी भी है बंदे की. तो इस यार ये बाल एक झटके में ही निकाल देते हैं कि why go into this and that कि we'll just put the cream and in 5 minutes I'll be sapad चिकना एकदम. So he's gone in his element and he's put it and he's laid down and he said my hair is going to go. So he's gone into dreaming about what his body will look
Look like
when he
after-
wakes up after 5 minutes. But actually he's woken up after half an hour and
Ouch.
his skin along with the sun and
Ouch.
the cream had kind of crinkled and become red. So he had to be taken to the hospital to make sure that they put antiseptic in a very systematic
Wow.
way.
Wait, the hair fell off and the skin was.
I think more than the hair was
Yeah,
falling
I think a
off.
part of his
Lord.
skin fell off after that.
God.
And I can assure you he didn't go out in the sun.
Yeah, I think he left Goa, went back home. He's like, chalo, ho gaya, bas.
So that is a very crude reminder to us that
Right.
that's
We
not
shouldn't mess
always-
with those products.
We shouldn't because they're always there. It ends up burning your skin. You don't want to use anything that ends up affecting your skin that
I
badly.
think women just tend
How
to
do
deal
women
with-
take it? Yeah.
How?
tend to deal with stuff like this better. We as men are not that sound when it comes to dealing with stuff like this. That's why this product comes in handy, genuinely. The fact that we have a one-stop shop solution comes in handy for me, somebody like me. I'm not good with all this. I can barely put like sunblock and go out in the sun, and get all the spots right. Like, and women are just like taking hours,
yeah,
and
like
hours and hours, and we are
Well,
like,
women don't fall
"Hey,
asleep."
come on, let-
Women don't fall asleep after they do this stuff too.
Yeah.
They kind of pay attention.
Yeah, women fall asleep at the wrong time. Wrong place. I never thought I'll have these conversations with two men while the world watches.